Good morning, students. Welcome again. Today I'm going to solve exercise 11, line segments, ray and the line. You know already. You have read in the previous class. Now we start. First, what is line segments? Then ray and the line. And what is the distinction between these words? So, first, whenever we start any ray or any line segment to draw, then we take a point. What is the point? This symbol is called point. Point is an exact location of any figure or any number. Okay, so now we understand what is line segments. Line segments, when we draw a line segment, has two end points. How many end points? Two end points. Line segments has two end point, and a ray is the symbol. This is ray. A ray has only one end point. How many end point? One end point. And a line. This is the symbol of line. It has no end point. So, what is the difference? The line segments has two end points. Ray has one end point. Only this is end point. Symbol of end point. This type. This is not the. This is the symbol of arrow. So this is not the end point. This type is end point. This is line segments has two end point. Ray has one end point, and line has no end points. And now second difference is line segments has fixed length. Line segments has fixed length, 2 or 3 centimeter or 5 centimeter you can draw. Okay, and ray has no fixed length. Also, line has no fixed length. Third difference is line segments can be drawn on the paper. It can be drawn on the paper, and it can't be drawn. It can't be drawn on the paper. We can indicate by symbol only. Okay, it can't be drawn. Also, it can't be drawn. And the fourth distinction is suppose that AB is a line symbol, line segment, then we can write AB like this. This is AB, line segments. AB equal to 5 centimeter, then we can write AB equal to 5 centimeter. And suppose that is A and this is B, then we indicate AB ray as a symbol like this. This is ray AB, and this is line. So we can indicate AB, and the upside you can give the two-sided arrow. Okay, this distinction you will write on your copy. Now exercise 11A says that name all the line segments in each of the following figures. Figure first says you have to write the name of all line segments. So just remind that A line segment has two ends point and the symbol is like this, dot symbol. Okay, so how many line segments here? We can write XY and YZ. And the symbol of line segments, this is the symbol of line segments. Only two line segments. And here third number, how many line segments? First is small, we take the small, PQ, QR and RS. PQ, QR and RS. Okay. Now I take two from PR and also QR, QS, PR and QS. Okay, from PR then QS. Okay, and now one more, P to S, PS. 6 line segments here. Okay, from PQ, then QR, then RS. Now we have taken 2 points from P to R, PR, then QS, and now PS. Okay, I hope you got it. You can do the second number. I have solved 1 and the third number. Now, second number question says that identify and name the line segments and rays in each of the following figures. Okay, one figure I have taken, that is first number. Okay, and you have to write the name of line segments and rays. So which one line segments? You know, line segments has 2 ends point like this, and ray has this one end point. Okay, and arrow sign symbol. So C and A, you know, C and A, this is arrow symbol. So you can write ray is C and A is a ray, and another ray is B and D. B, this is arrow symbol. So B and D is rays. Okay, and now line segments, which one? This part only, B and A is line segment. B and A or AB is a line segments. Only one line segments here. Okay, so where you look the arrow symbol one sided, you can say that is ray, and where doesn't given, so that is line segments. Now third number question says figure, in the figure you have to write in the adjoining figure name that is given. So 4 line segments, you have to write 4 line segments. Line segments has 2 end point. This is line segment from here to here. Here again QS and RS and PR, that is line segments. PQ, QS, SR and RP, that is 4 line segments. Okay, now 4 rays, where the ray symbol given, that is ray. So you can write that is yes. So 4 rays you can, there are so many rays, so you can write that is from P to B, PB. Okay, 1 rays from P to B, that is PB, 1 rays. Okay, second you can write QD, and the third you can write from here to here. Okay, PQ, that is name is not written here. I can we will take another from SC. Okay, SC, and also from R to A. RA or AR, whatever you can write. Okay, where name is written, I have taken PB from P to B1, and there is Q to D, and now SC and BA. Okay. Now, two non-intersecting line segments. Non-intersecting line segments which don't cut each other. When two rays or two line segments which do not intersect or do not cut each other, you have to write two non-intersecting line segments which do not cut each other. These line segments PQ and RS do not cut. PQ and RS do not cut. Two non-intersecting. If you want to write, then also PR and QS do not cut. You can put the and symbol. And PQ and RS do not cut, and PR and QS do not cut. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we learn that what is collinear points. Collinear point says that if three or more than 3 points lies on the same plane and can be drawn in a line. If there are 3 or more than 3 points lies on the same plane, this is plane, lies on the same plane and can be drawn a line, then these points are said collinear points. Okay, so here one example I have taken. So how many lines can you draw passing through 3 collinear points? There are 3 collinear points A, B, C. Then how many lines you can draw? How many lines you can draw? Only one line you can draw through A, B and C. So answer would be only one line. Single line can be drawn with the through collinear points. Now give 3 collinear points A, B, C. How many line segments do they determine? Name them. Here says that A, B, C. So how many line segments you have to write? How many line segments? So A, B, B, C and also AC. A, B, B, C and AC. 3 line segments from A to B, B to C and A to C. So second number answer is 3 line segments. I have written the name. Okay, I hope you got it. Now we see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.